In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to inflate an Intex air mattress without a pump. Now I'm going to be doing this with a hairdryer. That's right, I'm going to be using this hairdryer to fill up this air mattress, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Now the first thing you have to do, which is very important, is to make sure the hairdryer is set to cold. Never, ever use a hairdryer to fill up an air mattress when you have hot air coming out of the hairdryer. You're going to damage the valve and you can damage the air mattress as well. So never do that. So make sure it's set to cold. Now this particular hairdryer, to set this to cold, as you're blowing the air out, you have to hold this down. When you hold this down, it turns the air to cold that's coming out of the hairdryer. Okay, so let's get started. Now this mattress is totally deflated. Now here's the valve. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be removing not just the cap, I'm going to be taking the whole piece out so I can get to the valve itself. So this piece has to come out. And I'm going to be positioning the hairdryer right over the valve itself. So it's going to be right here. I'm going to insert the hairdryer in, like so, and then I'm going to turn it on. Now before I do that, of course I'm going to be holding this down to make sure that the air is cold. So I'm going to turn the hairdryer on to high, and I'm going to hold this down. Now the air coming out is going to be cold. Actually going pretty quick. That's really inflating nicely. The air is really coming out rapidly, so I'm going to put this in. And now what I'm going to be doing is, it still needs a lot of air. I actually lost some air as I opened it. So I'm going to make sure that the valve is tight. Okay, now with the valve tight, the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be removing the cap. Now I'm going to turn the hairdryer back on. And there you go. As you can see, the mattress is inflated. So there you go, how to inflate an Intex air mattress without a pump. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for the channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.